With three Kenyan clubs already into the money bracket for the Sportpesa Super Cup, Robinson Okenye sought to find out how the tournament has been so far. Gor Mahia, Nakuru All-Stars, Yanga and FC Leopards have all qualified for the semi-finals of the tournament.
Day 2 of the Sportpesa Super Cup has without a doubt been entertaining. Two teams have been knocked out to proceed to the semi-finals. I got a chance of speaking to the fans that turned out here, and this is what they had to say.
Kama unavyoangalia, Gor Mahia ndio timu ya kwanza kwa leo kufunga bila kwenda kwenye matuta au penalty.
And Gor, as players, they have fun. Like you can see, all these people have come from Kenya, and we have come to support Gor Mahia. And there's no way out we can cross the border and go back empty-handed. So ukisema kwamba kuna vilabu ambao wanaongoza ligi, hiyo ni huku nyumbani. Lakini sasa huko hatutambui hiyo kabisa.
With 4 teams already in the semi-finals, fireworks are expected on Thursday when they will take place here at Uhuru Stadium. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.